In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable RTT on Apple Watch. So if you're using an Apple Watch and you want to turn on RTT alongside the dialer pad on your Apple Watch, then you can easily do this. So if you don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on RTT on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the 2 crown to go to the app library. On the app menu or app library, click on settings. Now one of the settings page, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility, then go ahead and click on that. Then one on the accessibility page, just scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to hearing. Under hearing, you should see RTT, then tap on that. Now to enable RTT, just turn this on. Then you can see RTT can be accessed from the phone app and allow you to make and receive RTT phone call when your phone isn't nearby. You see that? Then RTT simply means real-time text. So once this is enabled, and then when next you want to put a code through on your Apple Watch, then you can easily have access to RTT on the phone app. So let's say you want to put a code through to maybe this person. Then you click on these 3 dots. Then you should have access to RTT here on your Apple Watch. So that is how to enable or turn on RTT on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.